Shongknor ka Assam Linguistic Minority Development Board S.Dev mentakasni ula Kyntu ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya bakadeban pynshitom miki nongleh kam sniew. S.Dev ula kran ya kani hadin ba ulayo jingtep baladan ki ridpat ki bamde ki riulum kila syapen mensau hagari khana ha Shillong. Habakran hakinong thokot kubor ha Assam House o Shillong. S.Dev ula ong bakani kala ja hakmat jangka police station bat baka Sorkar kam shim khya ya kani ka jingja.
The government is not very keen in taking proper investigation and arresting, or even there is no proper judgment. Therefore, most of these people who are basically minority here in Shillong, they don't have too much influence politically or economically or even socially, but they are Indian citizens. They feel very neglected, they feel very insecure. So when I spoke to even the MLA, Mr. Alexander Hack, who was a former minister also, he also had the same view. He told me that yes, it is correct that such criminals should be booked properly. They should be behind the jail. The government should take stern action. And I was very much, really happy, glad that he could really speak out. Because there was a concept that maybe there was a community clash, there is a community disharmony, but the way I have met few of the Khasi intellectual, because criminal is a criminal. You cannot communalize the criminal. You cannot give them protection on the basis of either religion or on the basis of language, because criminals do not have any language or religion. And when we talk of democracy, when we talk of human rights, it is always the law-abiding people. So if a law-abiding person is being harassed, is being stabbed, is being intimidated, then what happens is the government has to take stern action, which I believe today is not happening. My utmost request as a brother, as a neighboring state brother, I would always request that please, all the intellectual groups, all the communities, people who love Shillong, people who love Meghalaya should come out and should ensure that such incidents of stabbing, harassing the outsiders or harassing the linguistic minority people should not reoccur.